In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use select by location. You may have already added the county polygon and the census tract polygon from the GDB here. I have unchecked the census tract so that I can select the Cook County. Now, I already know which one is Cook County. There are several ways you can select that. First, you can simply switch on the label here and you can see the Cook County, and make sure the field name is listed correctly. So here the name LSAD is where the Cook County or the county names are listed. You can see from the attribute table. Let's say you do not want to switch on the label. You can switch it off. You can also do select by attribute or just simply do ascending and the Cook County is selected here, right? Now keep that highlighted and I'm going to switch on the census tract here. And now I'm going to go back to the map tab and click on select by location. Here, the input feature will be the one that I'm going to select from. So that's going to be our census tract layer. And the selecting feature will be the county that is already highlighted. And you can see use the selected records and one because we have only chosen one polygon. And the relationship. So what kind of relationship do you want between the two polygons? Now, if I select intersect, it might select these adjoining polygons that are outside the Cook County, right? I don't want to do that. So I'm going to select the relationship such as like within, right? And you can kind of play around with different relationship because you'll be doing this probably for the first time, and just to understand what each of these relationship looks like. So I will click apply and you can see that if you go to explore and highlight, you can see all these kind of polygons that are completely within the Cook County are selected. Now I will highlight the census tract layer on the contents pane, right click on it, go to data, export features, and in here make sure that use selected records. That means I'm going to export only those polygons that are selected and I'm going to save it inside my Lab4 GDB. If this automatically does not pop up, you can always click on the browse icon and navigate, but it should automatically pop up, and you can type in Cook County census tract to rename the file and click OK. So in this way you will just extract the Cook County. If you switch it off, just extracted the Cook County polygons. Now if you check your Lab4 GDB, you will see the Cook County census tract polygon is already listed within it.